Hey, what's going on, guys? Mr. Logan here today, and we are back for another video on meta spins. We are going to be doing another no limit session. We're playing some Fire in the Hole 2. We're gonna... So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do just yet. I think the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna do 320. Do some 25 spins on $3.20. Oh, I don't like the turbos on this one. I'm going to do some spins here, and then if it goes good, we'll not have to buy bonuses. If we don't get bonuses, I'm probably going to buy some. We're just going to kind of flop between a few no limits, a few of the newer ones, just because it gives me visibility into them, lets me see them, see if I want to play them on stream, and also hopefully we can get a good video out of it. Just had a really nice session on a newer hacksaw. That's why the balance is where it's at. So we're going to be shredding. I hope that we can get into a good bonus here so we can destroy everything. Good wild, just gonna blow up. It doesn't hit those other wilds though. Unfortunate. Come on. Come on, baby. Oh, that's double wild here. Give me more scatters or not. Only got a few more spins here. I think I'm gonna spin it down a little bit more because I have faith. Just do a few more spins. Get us down to like the $100 mark. Come on, baby. I want to see it. And I don't want to have to buy it. But it looks like... Oh my gosh, if that would have connected. That's a good split. Do one more. Nice hit. Gives us 2 more spins. Okay. Let's lower the bet drastically. We'll go to $1 and buy the regular bonus. Just a regular 3 scatter. See what happens here. I don't want to spend a ridiculous amount on this video, but I don't want to be cheap on it either. I want to be frugal. That's the appropriate term. We need our dynamite. Beer? I have yet to grab the beer yet, so I honestly have no clue what it does. Beer? It's showing it to us. Let us see the dynamite one time. Dynamite stick 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Okay. Dynamite hit. Ah. Bum 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 bum. Dynamite. I don't know what the guy does either. I haven't played Fire in the Hole enough to really know. Not a good bonus though. I've played it enough to know that that is not a great bonus. Let's lower the bet and let's change the bonus that we're doing. Just go minimum bet. Go for the... Wait. Okay, I might... We're gonna try this. 20 cents. I don't know what that does. I honestly don't. I don't know what he does, so it would be nice to see it. It'd be nicer to see it a little organically, but... Gotta do what you gotta do, right? That's what I've been told. I'm not sure what that does either, though. Does it guarantee a hit? I'm guessing it guarantees it. Interesting. Hit. Ah. Okay. I didn't know the dynamite could hit on the side of something. Weird. Yeah, This game confuses me. Give me the beer. What does the beer do? Oh, nice. Nice 5x. Beer again? Okay, what is it? And he just... I'm so confused what that does. Does it lock it to where it gets connections again? I mean, it's a decent hit so far. I need something new to hit. Something new hit, please. Okay, that's the end of the bonus. I mean, it's a decent bonus. Not what we paid for it, but... I mean... Oh, man. I should not do this, but I gotta see what it does. We get 100% guarantee of getting the guy. And we'll get to... I guess we'll get to see what he does. I really should not have bought it, but... Okay. He's a collector. He's a persistent collector. Beer. Okay. So, for this to pay... Oh my gosh, this might actually be really bad. This has to be, like, so much for it to pay. It's got to be like 3,000 something X. Which is... Oh man, if this opens up though, that could be nuts. Does that hit again? Is it going to keep hitting? Multiple beers. Oh my gosh, wait. It needs to open these two now. Please. Okay. Wait, now this could actually start shredding. It's got to keep hitting though. It has to keep hitting. Okay, we get one. Okay. Oh, wow. Wait. We need multis. Nice. Okay. It's going to add 1,000 there. We're going to have 1,000 there now. So this has to pay over 3,000x, though, for it to do anything nuts. That 2x would have been nasty. Oh, man, if that hits on this guy... Okay, we're actually almost at the point that it needs to pay. Come on, hit again, hit again. Yes! Okay. Okay. We're getting to absolute shred territory here. So it's... I believe it's past the point of paying, if I did my calculations right. Yes! Oh, that's nuts. That's nuts. How much is that going to be? Brother, this could be close to max. I don't know what the max is, but please hit one more time. If it hits one more time, we might actually be really close to a max win. Ooh, almost 10,000x. Come on, please hit. Anything. Oh, it's dead. That's okay. That's totally fine. That is so much money there. That should be close to 1,000. How much is it? 2,000. Nice. 10,189x. Wow. I guess it wasn't that bad of an idea to buy it. Wow, that can go disgusting. I didn't realize how good having that guy was. That can go absolutely nuts. Okay, I guess that's where we're going to end that portion. Let's go to another no limit and just play around on them, see how it works. Okay, we're on another no limit. We're playing Brick Snake 2000. I have not played this one before. We're gonna do 25 spins here. See what happens. It's one that I have not played. at all. So hopefully we'll see something good here. The graphics on it look not the best, but I like it. Okay, I see win. What do you win? Is that a Tamagotchi or I don't know how you say it. Yeah, Tamagotchi, maybe something like that. Wow, that guy would have been nice to hit. I'm assuming we just need 3 scatters. This almost looked like it'd be... Oh, this is a phone. We're playing a game on a Nokia. Not a Nokia. It's a Nokia. Okay. Oh, I bet there's max win spins on here. Dang it, that's gonna hurt if there is. I'm not gonna do a lot of them. I'll do at least one though. Can we get a hit? Like a decent hit? It's a little bit. No bonus for us. No free bonus. It wouldn't be free anyways, but you know what I mean. Oh, God Mode Deluxe? What is that? Okay, come on now. Wait a second. Wait. I gotta see what this is. What? Oh, that's crazy. Okay. Let's lowest bet, let's try one. Come on, do it, do it. Nice, we hit it! Nice! Come on! No, 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 I am not doubling it. Double or nothing. Nope. Oh wow, first spin, max win. Okay, let's do $1. We'll do the second bonus here. Let me make sure. Only paying 100. Good. Wow, I can't believe we got our balance up on this, but it is no limit, so it's... What am I doing here? What is happening? This slot is terrifying. I'm assuming we have a 90x now? Oh, we need that ×3. Don't hit the Slayer. The movements of the hands are like, I'm so confused why they move like that. 5x on that's decent. Oh wait, is it not, is it 5x the coin and not 5x the number here? It's 5x the coin. Don't hit the Slayer. Ah. So is that 85x? Okay. Interesting. Let's do lower the bet there to 40 cents and we'll do, yeah, we'll do one here. Actually, you know what? The balance is a bit higher. Let's do it on 216. So this is the super duper bonus, which gives us, I don't know. Why does it look like this? I hate that it looks like this. Ooh, okay, so that multi could be disgusting here with the collector. No, no, you were don't hit the Slayer. Nobody hit the Slayer. Hit the multi. Hit the multi. Please. Grab the multi. Please grab the multi. Grab the multi, no! Yes, okay. Now it 3x's everything on the screen, and then the collector's gonna be nuts. What is the egg? There's 2 Slayers. No, no. Oh, please get both of the... Oh my gosh, the collector has so much! No, no, why? No. Wow, this game looks nuts. I'm gonna do one more here. I think this could absolutely shred. So we'll give it a shot. We'll give it a fair chance. This collector thing is disgusting, though. Why does it have like hair on it? I don't like this. What? Like who thinks of this? No Limit, you guys are crazy. I love your slots though. Sponsor me, No Limit? Somehow? I don't know how you would do that, but do it. Don't hit the Slayer. You're better than that. You're better than that. Yeah, you are. Hit the multi. Nope, that's not the multi. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, nice. Can you somehow hit the 300x? Oh, beautiful. Good hit. Very good hit. No. Okay. Collector's about to be disgusting here. 768. Oh, there's so many Slayers around it, though. Hit it. Hit it, please. Please. Yes! Nice! Good hit. Good fucking win. Oh my gosh, don't hit Slayer. Ah, okay, that's fine. We'll take it. That collector was at 2,000 something there. Good hit. Wow, look at the fucking balance. Oh, man. I've been waiting for something like this to happen for a while now. Let's do... Let's do a $288 buy here. And hope we get... I mean, the only thing that would be worth it is the big one, or else it's worthless. I mean, we still lost money on that, I believe. Actually, maybe we didn't lose money on it. Man, is there a way that you can get the collector, like you can upgrade in this bonus? Give me the multi. Grab that multi, baby. I am here to kill Snake. What does the up do? Oh, is that the upgrade? Please upgrade. Upgrade. Do it. Do it. Yes. Please tell me that's collector. Oh, we get the collector now. But wait, we only have one snake left. We need eggs. Okay. We need eggs. No, it died there. Okay. Let me check one more time. We paid $288, so we technically paid $20 under. That's fine. I think we end the video there. We are up. So I think we end it there. I'm happy to end it there. No Limit, you have impressed me once again. I appreciate you, No Limit. You give me max wins when I used to not have any. So thank you. It's a little degenerate, but we do it anyways. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't, make sure you guys come out. I can't speak. Make sure you come check out the streams. We're going to be streaming Monday through Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Every single day. Make sure to come and check it out. We're going to be streaming at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time every day. Yeah, I'll see you there. Have a good one. Peace.